Eco-friendly driving. This works with the B-Class 200 natural gas. The CNG vehicle is powered by natural gas as well as a spare gasoline drive. These 3 compressed natural gas containers are space-savingly built into the underbody. The pressurized gas containers are secured to the highest standards. Nevertheless, regular maintenance of the gas system is important in order to detect any possible damage in good time. We demonstrate the test procedures on a B-Class 200 natural gas. Perform the maintenance at a certified gas workshop and take note of the country-specific rules. As a vehicle day-to-day life can be hard on the underbody, make sure to check it carefully and then proceed according to the following examples. If one of the underbody panels is missing, the underlying gas container must be replaced immediately. In such a case, damage may have occurred. Also, cracks or holes in the underbody paneling can be an indication of a damaged gas cylinder. For example, foreign objects can get behind the paneling. In this case, take off the panel and carefully check whether the surface of the gas cylinder has been damaged. To do this, clean the bottle surface with a mild detergent. Wear gloves in order to avoid injury from possible loose fibers. Let the tank surface dry. Now perform a careful visual inspection. If you see any indications of damage, please rate it according to the evaluation catalogue. According to this, a pressurized gas container must not be replaced if only small hair filaments project out, if there are scratch marks on the protective layer but no fibers are damaged, if aluminum corrosion has occurred on the threads or the plug, or if microcracks have occurred in the epoxy resin. With the following damage, a gas tank must be replaced. If there are deep cuts in the fibers, if the tank surface shows pressure marks, wear or abrasion, if the epoxy resin layers have separated, damaged, dissolved or delaminated. When the filaments are discolored, for example due to heat, if chemical reactions have occurred in the epoxy, or if one of the shoulder pads is damaged or loose. In addition to the visible defects, check all gas components for leaks. To do this, check each part with a gas detector. With an increased gas concentration, the measured value increases in the device. If this happens, treat the area in question with a leak detection spray. Spray the area and wait 3 minutes. If no bubbles or foam forms in this time, as in our case, there is no leak. Our demonstration setup shows a leaking connection in the line. By applying the leak detection spray, you can see bubbles form on the valve. This confirms gas is leaking. Thus, the connection must be sealed according to the workshop manual. With leaks, the compressed gas tank must be replaced immediately. If the compressed gas container has no leaks and is undamaged, check the gas components and the mounting points as well. Test all clips for the correct hold. If, during the test, there was no noise and collisions with adjacent components, everything is okay. You can now reinstall the undamaged underbody paneling. Before you document the work carried out in a test report, lastly check the filling valve in the fuel inlet for leaks. If there is no increased value, the vehicle can be refueled.